Fox 6's Madeline Anderson joining us live there now with more on exactly what went wrong and what's being done to make sure it doesn't happen again. Madeline?
Well, Mary, this occurred the same day that the city began ramping up vaccinations for educators here at the Wisconsin Center. It could have been worse. Officials say 140 doses were close to expiring, staff scrambling to save all but 34.
Milwaukee health officials are implementing new procedures at the Wisconsin Center Wednesday after 34 doses of the Moderna COVID-19 vaccine expired there earlier this week.
How do we make sure that this doesn't happen again? Looking at our processes, looking how we draw up our actual doses for both Moderna and Pfizer.
Deputy Commissioner Marlena Jackson says toward the end of vaccinations Monday, staff realized they had 140 syringes prepared, but no one to give them to.
Within an hour, we had over 100 individuals who we were able to call and get here.
Jackson says the discrepancy in doses was twofold. A number of educators failed to identify themselves as such when they scheduled their appointments on the health department's website. This created a problem because the state instructed the city to only give educators the Pfizer vaccine, while Moderna shots had already been drawn up.
And when they get to the Wisconsin Center, because we do verify educators by their ID, we had to do some switching of Moderna versus Pfizer.
Mayor Tom Barrett notes that Monday was the first time the city has had to throw out vaccine. He says the 34 doses account for less than 0.0015% of the total number of doses Milwaukee has received.
Was it perfect? No, it wasn't perfect. But did they try hard? I think they tried very hard. While I'm not happy that a single vaccine was wasted, I think it's important to keep that in perspective.
Now, DHS also keeps track of the amount of vaccine that's gone to waste across the entire state. A spokesperson says DHS is still working on getting those numbers for me. Reporting live in Milwaukee, Madeline Anderson, Fox 6 News.
Madeline, thank you.